Alright, today I'm going to be working on my GE washing machine that the spin cycle does not work. Okay, so today we're having problems with our GE top load washing machine. It will not spin. So I got clothes in there, still got soap on them, the water's drained out, but it will not spin. See, turn it around to the spin cycle. You can hear it run. As you see, it does not spin. So, a couple things we can do. One, we're going to turn it off. We're going to unplug the washer for approximately 1 minute. Now I'm not going to stand here for 1 minute and let you watch a video of me pulling the plug and looking at my washing machine. So I've already done this, so I'm just going to plug it back in. Then you want to take your lid. You have a magnet on the other side of this. It will reset your motor. You want to do that 6 times in 12 seconds. You'll hear it. 1, 2, 6. Now, in most cases, that will re-engage, reset the motor, so it will go to spin. In this case, once again, it will not spin. So, now I'm going to pause and we'll go to something else. Okay, the next thing you want to do is you want to take off the front of your washer. So you get an old spatula, or in this case a scraper. A knife would work as well. You want to stick it up here under the lid, kind of in the middle of your machine. Well, not in the middle of the machine, but towards the side of your machine, and drag it along until it stops. Move your knife and push it. You're going to do the same thing with the other side. Drag it along till it stops. There's a catch. Push and release. And your front panel will come off. After you have your panel off, this is what the inside of your washing machine looks like. So, now we are going to attempt to clean the hose out. There's a hose here on your left-hand side. I already disconnected it, but it just pulls, it will just pull right out. So, once you pull it out, inspect it, look at it, you'll see this one is plugged. So, I want to get something that I can stick up in there and clean that mess out to see if that will work. And after cleaning that all out, putting it back together, you can see the vibration of the washing machine. So we know that the spinning works. Back on spin cycle, ready to go. Now, put it back together. Oh, what I used to clean that hose out with, I used a clothes hanger, piece of a clothes hanger, cleaned that out with. I also had a pick here. I was able to dig some stuff out, put it back together. See, there's 2 latches down there that it slides on. There's these pieces, these plastic pieces that fit inside holes down up here and down there. So those are in, and you just press it together. And there you go. No need to call the plumber because you done it yourself. Good job. Okay, so as we see, I fixed something myself again today. We avoided calling the plumber, which would have cost lots of money. And maybe we can help somebody out with this video, because that's what guys do. We fix things ourselves and we help people. And I done it like a boss.